Welcome back. Tech fam, this is your home for all things Apple. And today, we're diving into the tiny titan that's about to flip the entire desktop game in 2025, the Mac Mini M5. If you're a dev, a creator, or just someone who wants nuclear performance in a pint-sized box, stay tuned. Because this is not your average Mac refresh. Meet the monster meat, the Mac Mini M5, Apple's smallest Mac, just got monstrously smarter. Fueled by the all-new M5 chip built on a blazing fast 3 nanometers SoIC architecture, this thing is faster, cooler, and way more power efficient. That it's a full-blown AI beast and a creator's dream, all wrapped in that sleek, minimalist shell we know and love. Spec warfare. CPU up to 12 performance plus 6 efficiency cores. That's desktop-class multitasking. GPU ranges from 10 to a jaw-dropping 40-core GPU. Unreal rendering, smooth 3D workflows, pro gaming, you name it. Neural Engine 32 or 64 cores ready to chew through Apple Intelligence and machine learning tasks. RAM starts at 18 GB LPDDR5X, scaling up to an insane 128 GB unified memory. Storage, up to 8 TB SSD with speeds up to 7.5 GB per second. That's not fast. That's blink-and-it's open fast. Ports, 4x Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.2, 2x USB-A, Ethernet, and yes, the headphone jack still lives. Displays, power up to 3 6K displays. Multitaskers, rejoice. All of this runs on macOS Sequoia, packed with Apple's latest AI magic from smart summaries to image. What makes it a game changer, this isn't just about specs. It's about what you could do. AI ready. Run TensorFlow, PyTorch, or CoreML natively. Devs and researchers, you're covered. Creative King, Final Cut Pro, Logic, Xcode, Blender, DaVinci, it eats heavy apps for breakfast. Energy efficient. Thanks to the 3 nanometers design, you get desktop-grade power with laptop-like efficiency. Whisper quiet. No jet engine fan drama. Just cool, calm performance. And with Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7, it's ready for everything the future throws at it. Release date, pricing, release timeline. Word on the street says October 2025. Likely at Apple's fall event. Pre-orders soon after, with units shipping before November, just in time for the holidays. Pricing, estimated model chip memory storage price. EST, base M5 18 GB, 512 GB, $799. Mid-tier M5 Pro 36 GB, 1 TB, $1,299 to $1,499 absolute value for what's packed inside. Final thoughts. So, here's the bottom line. The Mac Mini M5 is a tiny box with massive potential. Whether you're building apps, editing 8K video, or training AI models, this desktop doesn't just keep up, it leads the pack. Now it's your turn. Which feature blew your mind? The 40-core GPU? The 128 GB RAM? Or that ridiculous triple 6K display support? Drop your favorite feature in the comments. I'm replying to the top ones. Smash that like button if you're hyped for Apple's M5 revolution. Subscribe and hit the bell. We've got hands-on reviews, thermal tests, benchmark battles, and even AI workflow breakdowns coming your way. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay ahead. Peace.